The microbial world is a fascinating and diverse realm that encompasses a vast array of microscopic organisms, including bacteria, viruses, and archaea. These tiny beings play crucial roles in various ecosystems and have a significant impact on our daily lives. Let's delve into the intriguing world of microbes and explore their unique characteristics and functions. Microorganisms are ubiquitous in nature, existing in virtually every environment on Earth, from the depths of the ocean to the soil beneath our feet. Despite their small size, microbes are incredibly diverse, with an estimated 1 trillion species of bacteria alone. Bacteria, the most well-known type of microorganism, are single-celled organisms that come in a wide range of shapes and sizes. They can be found in soil, water, and even inside our bodies. Bacteria play essential roles in the environment, such as breaking down organic matter and cycling nutrients. Some bacteria are beneficial to humans, aiding in digestion and producing essential vitamins. However, certain pathogenic bacteria can cause diseases in plants, animals, and humans. Viruses, although not technically considered living organisms, are another crucial component of the microbial world. These tiny particles consist of genetic material enclosed in a protein coat and can only replicate inside host cells. Viruses are responsible for a variety of diseases in humans, animals, and plants, including the common cold, influenza, and COVID-19. Despite their negative reputation, viruses also play essential roles in ecosystems, such as controlling bacterial populations and influencing nutrient cycling. Archaea, a lesser-known group of microorganisms, are similar to bacteria but have distinct genetic and biochemical characteristics. Archaea can thrive in extreme environments, such as hot springs and deep-sea vents, where other organisms cannot survive. These ancient microbes have provided valuable insights into the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. The microbial world is a complex and dynamic ecosystem that continues to surprise and intrigue scientists with its diversity and adaptability. By studying microbes, we can gain a better understanding of the fundamental processes that govern life on our planet and develop innovative solutions to global challenges. Let's embark on a journey into the microbial world and explore the hidden wonders of these tiny but mighty organisms. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that are incredibly diverse and abundant in nature. They come in various shapes, including spheres, rods, and spirals, and can be found in virtually every environment on Earth, from deep-sea vents to the human gut. Despite their small size, bacteria play essential roles in ecosystems and have a significant impact on our daily lives. Some bacteria are beneficial, such as those involved in nitrogen fixation in soil or the production of antibiotics. Others, however, can be harmful and cause diseases in plants, animals, and humans. One interesting fact about bacteria is their ability to exchange genetic material through a process called horizontal gene transfer, which allows them to quickly adapt to changing environments. Bacteria reproduce rapidly through binary fission, enabling them to colonize new habitats and outcompete other organisms. The study of bacteria, known as bacteriology, has led to numerous scientific discoveries and innovations, including the development of vaccines, antibiotics, and bioremediation techniques. Bacteria are also used in various industrial processes, such as food fermentation and wastewater treatment. Despite their reputation as disease-causing agents, the vast majority of bacteria are harmless or even beneficial to humans. By understanding the diversity and functions of bacteria, we can better appreciate their importance in maintaining the balance of ecosystems and improving human health. Bacteria are fascinating microorganisms with a wide range of characteristics that set them apart from other forms of life. One of the most defining features of bacteria is their prokaryotic cell structure, which means they lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Instead, their genetic material is contained in a single circular chromosome located in the nucleoid region of the cell. Bacteria also have a cell wall made of peptidoglycan, a unique molecule that provides structural support and protection. Another interesting characteristic of bacteria is their diverse metabolic capabilities. Some bacteria are autotrophic, meaning they can produce their own food through processes like photosynthesis or chemosynthesis. Others are heterotrophic and rely on organic compounds for energy. Bacteria exhibit a wide range of shapes, including cocci, spherical, bacilli, rod-shaped, and spirilla, spiral-shaped. These shapes can influence how bacteria interact with their environment and other organisms. Bacteria are known for their rapid growth and reproduction rates, with some species dividing every 20 minutes under ideal conditions. This ability to multiply quickly allows bacteria to adapt to changing environments and colonize new habitats. Bacteria also have remarkable genetic diversity, with the ability to exchange genetic material through processes like conjugation, transformation, and transduction. This genetic plasticity enables bacteria to acquire new traits such as antibiotic resistance and evolve rapidly. Despite their small size, bacteria play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and symbiotic relationships with other organisms. By understanding the unique characteristics of bacteria, we can appreciate their importance in maintaining ecosystem balance and explore their potential applications in biotechnology, medicine, and environmental conservation. Bacteria play vital roles in maintaining the balance of ecosystems and are essential for the health of our planet. One of the key roles of bacteria in the environment is nutrient cycling. Bacteria are proficient decomposers, breaking down organic matter such as dead plants and animals into simpler compounds that can be recycled by other organisms. This process releases essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus back into the soil, making them available for plants to use for growth. Additionally, some bacteria are nitrogen-fixing, converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can absorb, further contributing to nutrient availability. Bacteria also play a crucial role in bioremediation, the process of using microorganisms to clean up pollutants in the environment. Certain bacteria have the ability to degrade harmful substances like oil, pesticides, and heavy metals, helping to restore contaminated sites to their natural state. In aquatic environments, bacteria are essential for the cycling of carbon and sulfur, processes that are fundamental to the health of marine ecosystems. Interestingly, bacteria form symbiotic relationships with plants, helping them acquire nutrients and enhancing their resilience to environmental stressors. Overall, the diverse functions of bacteria in the environment highlight their importance in sustaining life on Earth and underscore the need for conservation and preservation of microbial diversity. Viruses are fascinating entities that straddle the line between living and non-living organisms. Unlike bacteria, viruses are not considered living organisms because they cannot replicate or carry out metabolic processes on their own. Instead, viruses consist of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an outer lipid envelope derived from the host cell membrane. Viruses are incredibly diverse and can infect a wide range of hosts, including animals, plants, fungi, bacteria, and even other viruses. One of the most intriguing aspects of viruses is their ability to hijack host cells and use their cellular machinery to replicate and produce more virus particles. This process can lead to various diseases in humans, animals, and plants, ranging from the common cold to more severe illnesses like COVID-19. Despite their negative impact on health, viruses also play essential roles in ecosystems. For example, viruses that infect bacteria, known as bacteriophages, help control bacterial populations and influence nutrient cycling in marine environments. Studying viruses is crucial for understanding infectious diseases, developing vaccines, and exploring the origins of life. By unraveling the mysteries of these tiny entities, scientists can unlock new insights into the complexities of the microbial world. Viruses are unique entities that consist of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an outer lipid envelope derived from the host cell membrane. The structure of a virus is relatively simple compared to other microorganisms, but its function is incredibly complex. Viruses are obligate intracellular parasites, meaning they require a host cell to replicate and multiply. When a virus infects a host cell, it injects its genetic material into the cell and takes over the cellular machinery to produce more virus particles. This process can lead to the destruction of the host cell and the release of new virus particles to infect other cells. One interesting fact about viruses is their ability to mutate rapidly, leading to the emergence of new strains and variants. This genetic variability is one of the reasons why viruses like influenza and HIV pose significant challenges for vaccine development. Despite their small size, viruses exhibit remarkable diversity in terms of shape and structure. Some viruses are helical, with a cylindrical shape, while others are icosahedral, with a symmetrical 20-sided structure. Enveloped viruses have an additional outer lipid membrane that helps them evade the host immune system. The study of virus structure is essential for understanding how viruses infect cells, evade the immune response, and cause disease. Viruses have evolved various strategies to enter host cells, such as binding to specific receptors on the cell surface and fusing with the cell membrane to release their genetic material. Once inside the cell, viruses can replicate rapidly, leading to the production of thousands of new virus particles. This process can overwhelm the host immune system and result in the spread of infection. Understanding the structure and function of viruses is crucial for developing antiviral therapies, vaccines, and diagnostic tools. By unraveling the mysteries of these tiny entities, scientists can better prepare for future viral outbreaks and mitigate their impact on human health. Viruses have a significant impact on human health, causing a wide range of infectious diseases that can range from mild to severe. One of the most well-known examples of a virus affecting human health is the influenza virus, which causes seasonal flu outbreaks that result in millions of cases worldwide each year. Influenza viruses can mutate rapidly, leading to the emergence of new strains that can evade the immune system and cause more severe illness. Another notorious virus is the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, which attacks the immune system and can progress to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, if left untreated. HIV/AIDS has had a devastating impact on global health, with millions of deaths reported since the beginning of the epidemic. Viruses like hepatitis B and C viruses can cause chronic liver infections that may lead to liver cirrhosis and cancer if not properly managed. The recent COVID-19 pandemic, caused by the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, has highlighted the rapid and widespread impact that viruses can have on human health and society. COVID-19 has resulted in millions of infections and deaths worldwide, overwhelming healthcare systems and disrupting economies. Interestingly, not all viruses are harmful to humans. Some viruses, known as bacteriophages, infect and kill bacteria, making them potential candidates for treating bacterial infections. Viruses have also been used in gene therapy to deliver therapeutic genes to target cells for the treatment of genetic disorders. Understanding the impact of viruses on human health is crucial for developing effective prevention strategies, vaccines, and treatments. By studying the mechanisms of viral infections and host immune responses, scientists can better prepare for future outbreaks and mitigate the spread of infectious diseases. Archaea are a fascinating group of microorganisms that have long been overshadowed by bacteria and eukaryotes. Despite their small size and simple cell structure, Archaea exhibit unique characteristics that set them apart from other forms of life. One of the most intriguing features of Archaea is their ability to thrive in extreme environments that would be inhospitable to most other organisms. Archaea can be found in environments such as hot springs, deep-sea hydrothermal vents, salt flats, and acidic bogs, where they play crucial roles in biogeochemical cycles. One remarkable group of Archaea, known as extremophiles, can withstand extreme temperatures, pH levels, and salinity, making them valuable subjects for studying the limits of life on Earth. Archaea have a prokaryotic cell structure similar to bacteria, but their genetic and biochemical characteristics are more closely related to eukaryotes. Archaeal cells lack peptidoglycan in their cell walls and have unique membrane lipids that are not found in bacteria or eukaryotes. These adaptations allow Archaea to survive in harsh environments and perform specialized functions that contribute to ecosystem dynamics. One interesting fact about Archaea is their role in methane production and consumption. Methanogenic Archaea produce methane as a byproduct of their metabolism, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions in environments like wetlands and the digestive tracts of ruminant animals. On the other hand, methanotrophic Archaea consume methane as an energy source, helping to mitigate its impact on the atmosphere. Archaea also form symbiotic relationships with other organisms, such as in the guts of termites, where they aid in the digestion of cellulose. Despite their ecological importance, archaea remain relatively understudied compared to bacteria and eukaryotes. Advances in molecular biology and genomics have revealed the diversity and complexity of archaeal life, sparking new interest in their evolutionary history and ecological significance. By unraveling the mysteries of archaea, scientists can gain valuable insights into the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life in extreme environments. Studying archaea is not only essential for understanding microbial diversity, but also for exploring the fundamental processes that govern life on our planet.